or kind of food, okay? I wish it was more cloud today. Why? Because it's too hot dog. Did this thing just... was that a pun? Because it's too hot dog. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be playing some random games that I can just find on the internet. So I found this game on the internet and I wonder what it is. When I started it I was surprised. I didn't actually understand it, but let's just say this might give you hyperthermia. In this game I don't really understand what's going on. First of all, it gives me headache. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so we're starting off with this guy. Wow, a human. Okay. Instantly it knows we're okay. Of course I can talk. You think I am stupid. Yeah, let's just say yeah, because he's actually stupid. I bet I am smarter than you. Oh, sure. Anywhere I was about to go. Oh, anyways. Till you... I interrupted you? I interrupted you? Wow. Okay. Yeah, we can go fishing together. Okay. I say, if this is the most exaggerating thing I ever seen, I'm gonna leave it. What? What? There is, food. There's food in the ocean. And it won't talk to me. I can't breathe. Wow, a talking bird. Haven't seen one of those before. Why did you take me away from my home? The sea is your home? How is the sea is home to food? Food! Okay. I need water to breathe through. Okay. What the? I have lived in the ocean for 20 years and you're not soggy. 20 years and you're not soggy. Yeah, that's a lie. That is definitely a lie. No wonder you're so salty. Where is salt on that? I don't see any salt. Don't worry, we'll catch you a friend. Wow. Don't kidnap more burgers. Don't tell me what to do. Okay, this is officially getting worse and worse. Did that burger just... No. That burger literally just eat his friend. Yum. He says yum. He says yum after eating his friend. Thanks for the snacks. Wow. You ate the other burger. What else was I supposed to? What the hell? I don't know, be friends with it or something. Why would I be friends with a piece of food? You are... I'm having a breakdown already. I just started the game and I'm already having a breakdown. Wow, I'm already having a breakdown. Okay. You're a piece of food too. I didn't have a choice. It's eat or being eaten in this world. Well, that is kind of true because humans eat food and food eat Okay. This is a mental breakdown. This is a mental breakdown. I repeat, mental breakdown. No, it's not. You eat food as well. I will catch another one. Just please don't eat them this time. Okay. Okay. He ate it. He hated it. He ate it? I seriously don't understand. Why is he eating his own kind? Why? Hey. How am I supposed to make a living when you eat everything I catch? Don't worry, I'll pay you back. Don't worry, I'll pay you back. Don't worry, I'll pay you back. Okay. How is a food going to pay a cat back? Oh, I guess a cat can just eat the burger or eat the food. I don't know. Watch this. I don't really understand. What are you doing? You're kind of freaking me out. Hold on, it didn't work. Let me try again. It just birthed money out. Wow, that was amazing. Could you do that again? Sure, I will do it whenever you feed me. Do it again right now. You already ate 2 burgers. Okay, fine. So just pick up a burger, spin it, eat its own kind, and then it spits out gold, money, bitcoins? What are these? It just have a smiley face on them. Wow. Okay. Now I'm really confused. Okay. Oh, we got something else. Is this like cap of food? Capacity. Okay, this is getting too weird. Oh, it's just like filling up my bar? I can just say okay. Oh, what did that do? Oh, there's a number 2. Oh, I guess it actually, so it gave me 2 that I can pick up more, but deep. Okay, I guess the deep one is to make us go deeper. Obviously, that's Captain Obvious. Okay, maybe. Okay, let's do some AFK fishing. Okay, I'm not supposed to call it fishing. Let's do some AFK fooding. That's the right word. Fooding. Okay guys, I've been just, for about a minute or so, I was trying to go fishing again, but, it won't let me fish. So that means I need to go deep or captive. Yeah, I'm going deep. I'm definitely going deep. What the? Huh? Oh, it zooms in. The dragon fruit? Wait, what? Wait, did you guys just saw that? I swear I just saw that. What is it? Oh, I didn't mean this, but okay. Wow, there's so many cute food here. I was just getting used to the food talking. Now I need to get used to a chest talking. Wow. It's a secret. Come on, just tell us. I'm sorry, it's hard for me to open up to people. Whenever I open, all people just take everything and leave. That's so... Okay. 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 That's literally what you're meant for. It's literally, a chest is meant for putting in stuff and taking back out stuff. It doesn't mean for anything else. Or heavyweight, I guess? It kind of meant for heavyweight as well. Oh well. The key thing to do is just keep feeding your food. Maybe one day I will open up again. Good for you, I don't think I ever will. Are you okay? Good question. Wow, what a reasonable conversation. Okay, this is getting pretty weird. But at least the dragon fruit thing doesn't want to talk. That's perfect. It ate its own kind. I didn't actually realize that. But I'm seeing like a bigger... It's like a... Yeah, like that. We need to zoom in on that. I swear I just saw it. Like down there. Okay. I think we need to go like deeper. If you go deeper, what will... Oh, there it is. Cafe. We just fish up another cat or a building out of the water. We pick up a building out of the water. Wow. Okay. And it wanted to talk to us. You store... Oh, great. No problem. Seriously. You have a... I can't believe I caught an entire cat. Thank you! I can't believe it too! Actually, you didn't caught it. I caught it. What were you doing in the ocean? That's what I was wondering as well. Drowning mostly. I thought cats were afraid of water. How did the cafe go down there? How did the cat even was just... She was like the same position. How isn't she wet? How isn't... Okay, I have a lot of questions for this game. The creator sure didn't think about these questions. I guess that makes sense. Okay. I am surprised you were strong enough to pull me out. Oh. Strong enough to pull me up. Okay. Okay. This game is so great. I don't want to just smash this. Yeah, I work out. I can tell. Thanks again. How can I repay? Oh, well, for some reason, my burger turned food into coins. Can you make him something to eat? That's weird, but okay, I will make something to drink. I usually... So, you meet an entire stranger that save you. I guess people save you, but why the heck are you trusting a stranger that pulled you out of the ocean? How are you even alive? Oh, great. Well, relaunch app to continue. Are you serious? Are you Give me a second, guys. Okay, there we go. Welcome back. Swipe to drink. It just ate the bottle. It just ate the bottle. Okay, no. Thanks for the drink. Whoa, you ate the whole thing. Thank you. You actually realize it. The container isn't... How does a burger have a digestive system? How does a burger have a digestive system? We need a wall of things to correct here. We need a wall of things to correct. Also, it's faster to eat the whole thing. It's faster to eat the whole thing. Wow. I only have so long before I die. Gotta save time whenever I can. You ate the old container, idiot. How are you going to even survive that? Eating the container might make you die sooner. Thank you. The important thing is that my drinks make you throw up a lot of coins. I will make drinks for up to 2 hours while you away from the game. Okay. I will make drinks for okay. I already know that. Sounds good. Do you want to get a notification? Sure, why not? Great. Okay, let's just go and do some more fishing. I think we need to go like deeper. That's 2,000, I think. That 2,000 actually boosts us for our head. Thank you, boom. Now we can go even deeper. Wait, what? Fries. Fries. I don't even want to know why fries is in the ocean. You want fries with that game? Sure. Well, here I am. Hope you happy cause I'm not. Everything is wrong. Nothing is real. It's all just a simulation. You're not supposed to know that. You're not supposed to know that. You're not supposed to know that. All I get to do is slide around on a dock. Okay? What a waste of time. It will get better sucked to. Seriously? Those are the two options I get? Okay, I'll just say it will get better. Thanks, buddy. Don't call me any buddy. I'm not buddy with some food that can talk. At least I can spare other fries by eating them. At least I can spare other fries by eating them. Maybe you can spare your brain in your head. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just not gonna say anything. Okay, now the chest wanna talk with us. Thanks for unlocking me. Here is it. They will help you catch a lot more. What the? Want to watch an ad to get 4 more? No thanks. No thanks. I don't want to know. Let's hold some more. Let's just wing it across because I don't. Oh, another chest. Good things doesn't want to talk to us. First, the dragon fruit doesn't want to talk to us. Second, I don't really know. Okay, let's go deeper. I don't know what I would. Okay, I got something. A portal. Wow. What fell on my roof? That scared the crap out of me. Yeah, don't look to budge. Shit, don't look to budge. Look like a portal. I wonder where it goes. Well, I don't want to know. At the same time, I'm curious as well. Not gonna lie, I'm curious as well. What the? What just happened? Wow, the portal dispatched the food I caught. Okay. That's amazing. Looks like it's closed now though. No, I could have made so much more money. I will try to find a way to open it up again. Yay, so it finally closed. Wow. I totally didn't want that. Wait, what? Oh. I figured out how to open the portal. Turn out is powered by love. Nope, I'm done. I'm done. I am so done. If I have to do this, I am not doing it. Are you kidding me? That's ridiculous. Yeah, I was joking. It's actually powered by watching ads. Wow, that's even worse. Thank you! You understand the pain of waiting. Why does the portal want me to watch ads? We can't it just work? Why can't it just work? Great. Who knows? Not me. It's probably best not to question it and just watch the ads. Wow, you want me to watch ads too. It's the right thing to do. Well, I'm not doing it. Were you focused to say that? Were you forced to say that? Of course not. Give me a second, guys. I totally not gonna watch an ad. So, guys, I was just clicking on the ad button, but yeah, no available ads. Wow, this thing's ruining people's life. Okay, I'm just gonna do some AFK fishing. Something is called auto clicker here. Okay, wait, what the? Huh? A shovel? Okay, maybe this is getting a little weirder now. What the heck? And I can't tip on it. Oh, okay, that's weird. Okay, I just need a couple more to go deeper and deeper. Because the more talking food I have, the more money I get to go faster. Okay, deeper. Okay, please be at least fish. Please, I'm begging you, be fish. Okay, I'm done. It's so... What is that? A cranberry. I'm sorry for the background, guys. I'm sorry about my background noise. Sorry about that. Okay. This is even getting weirder. Why is there, oh, I can tip on it. Oh, another shovel. I'm not gonna say its name. I'm just not gonna say its name. I'm just not gonna say his name. Just not gonna do it. And one thing I want to know, why does, like, when I'm fishing, like, the sound, like, it's just, oh, thanks for unlocking me. Yeah, whatever, I don't really, no thanks. You just say the same thing over and over. I don't really care. Okay. First of all, why does I make a pow sound when I'm fishing? Why? Just like that. Why do I make a... What do I make that for? Another 8. Okay, this is gonna be great. 8 great. Get it? It's 8 and it's great. Good. Oh, no need to. Wait, what? Oh, I can't fish. Should we go deeper? Okay, let's go deeper. Let's go deeper and then... Okay, I'm having a mental breakdown. Literally, I'm having a mental breakdown. So we got a hot dog. Now we got a melon in a box. I have arrived. Wow, where did you come from? That's what I want to know. The other side of this flat earth. The earth isn't flat. Yes, it is. In your world, it's flat. Seems pretty flat to me. Don't joke around like that. Someone might believe you. No harm is knowing the truth. Anyways, I can bring you different places when you get more food. Tip on the boat to have more kind of food. Okay. I wish it was more cloud today. Why? Because it's too hot dog. Did this thing just... Was that a pun? Because it's too hot dog. Okay. Now they're starting to say puns. Wow. Wow. Ha 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 ha. Wow. Did you laugh? I can't tell because my ears dissolve in the ocean. Wow. You're not funny. Yep, I'm just gonna say that. Yeah, I know. That's why they dumped me in the ocean. What? Seriously? Okay. More or less talking about that, I wanted to just hip on the boat right now. But first I'm gonna fish and just, increase my capacity. Whatever. Thank you. And now tip on the boat. Okay, no need. You need 25 more food to unlock this. Looks like I need to go even more deeper. Okay, it looks like the hot dog gave me even more food, I think. Does it? I think it would. What the? Was that a... Oh, I missed to click on the boat. Wow, that cat went flying. I hope she has health insurance. Health insurance. Wow, I wonder who was in the ocean would die. Why was she in the ocean anyways? Thank you, I was just asking that. And why were you in the ocean anyways as well? Maybe she was a catfish. You gotta be the dumbest melon I ever seen. I saw where she landed. I can take you there. How she went behind the hill behind us. She went behind the hill. Okay. A tower? Go. She has a fishing rod as well. Wow, what a coincidence. Please don't throw me in the air again. I won't? Thanks, I really appreciate it. Let's go fishing. So I'm just gonna trust you. And why is the water purple? Why is it purple? Okay, first, the Mikey. Okay, I'm getting mixed up on my words now. Okay, let's go fishing. What the? I'm gonna end it here. I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, hit that like button and subscribe, and I see you next time. If you want more of this, 5 likes and I will do it straight again. Thank you.